Hello, my friends. Can you imagine giving a banner that looks like this that says celebrate to someone, or making it for a party for yourself or another loved one? Look at how adorable it is. Well, you know what? There are a ton of items on this banner that we are releasing right this second. So are you ready for this? Look at how, first of all, look at how cute this is. All those little animal parade guys with the fun pom-poms on there, the word celebrate, the cute little banner. Oh my goodness gracious. Are you ready? Here we go. Well, most of you have Parade Buddies number 3. And then we came out with Parade Buddies number 2. But we were missing Parade Buddies number 1. Well, here it is, my friends. Look at that mouse. First of all, I love the mouse. I love the mouse. I love the mouse. Dancing and having fun. Then there's this cute little lizard guy and this cute little porcupine or hedgehog playing. They can play a drum. They can do the trumpet. They can hold the umbrella. Strike up the band. Let's make some noise. What a blast. And oh, I just love it. Now, yes, you know, there's dies that match. But I just want to show you first, really quick, look at that. Just using the umbrellas. Is that awesome or what? Rain or shine, you're a friend of mine. So I want you to take, sometimes, stamp sets that look like this, use that stamp and die, and make it look like this, right? Not even a Parade Buddy in sight. But isn't that awesome? I love it. Now, I already showed you the sneak peek of this one in the beginning. This is our new banner. It's smaller than our big ones that hold an A2 size card. This is the perfect size for smaller banners. So adorable, and I have tons of samples. And last but not least, you might have seen a sneak peek on this one. I did show a couple sneak peeks earlier. A slim line fold-it train. Choo choo. Fun samples. Now, because most of you know, we already had a car, we already have a plane, but cars and trucks and things that go, we needed a train. So look at this. And I know Cheryl made this because my babies are gonna turn 3. Look how cute that is. Choo choo. I love that little cotton ball up here. I love it. Now, yes, these fit in a slim line sized envelope. So cute. I absolutely love that. Look at that fun train. Perfect also for banners. Perfect for decorations. Look how cute that is. I love it, you guys. I love it so much. Now, you could also just use the front on an A2 size card if you want. Just the engine part if you want. You don't have to use the whole thing, but oh my word, look at that. Is that the cutest little thing you ever saw? So options, options, options. Lots of options on that one. And lots of Parade Buddies. They are going to a parade. I love it. I love it. Now here's a cute one. Strike up the band. What a blast. Let's make some noise with our Fence Slimline. I love that. You're going to see that the Fence Slimline all the time for years and years and years and years in our design team's creations, because they love that as the background. So definitely always think about that Fence Slimline too. Now here's a fun one. Ready? Ready? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Look, it's a pop-up. Oh, it's getting stuck. It's getting stuck in the mail. Sometimes they go a little crazy. Ready? There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? There we go. So fun on our surprise swiper card. I call it the swiper card. It's really the wiper card. But look how cute that is. That mouse, I'm telling you, is killing me every time. Oh, and here's another one of the mouse. I love that mouse. I love it. Okay, now let's look at some more banners because, you know, first of all, look how cute it is. Isn't it adorable? It's a lot smaller in size. I absolutely love it. But it's perfect one for the Parade Buddies. Look at how cute this little one is with our little Parade Bunnies on there. Buddies on there, not bunnies. So fun. And then, oh, we could do a cute little Easter egg one with our little chick. Love that. Or, oh, a happy birthday one. Imagine taking this and putting it on a gift bag. You could easily tie this to a gift bag. Boom. Look how cute that would be to decorate your gift bag. Buy the cheap, boring gift bags and decorate them. Wouldn't that be cute? Tying that on there. I love that idea. Okay, here's another cute, oh, an Easter one. Look how cute. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but I always make banners for my refrigerator. I use the Tilly Tiffany magnets that are sticky on the back, and I can cut those up, and I could put this on my refrigerator for Easter. Isn't it amazing? I know. I love to decorate the refrigerator because not only do the kids love it, but adults that come over love it too, because they're like, oh my goodness, that's so awesome to decorate your fridge. Look how cute this one is too. I absolutely love it. Now, Come on, club members, you know the deal. You know you're getting that discount. If you're not in the club, oh my goodness, you're missing out. I don't know what to tell you. Go check it out. It's at the website, thestampsoflife.com, $13.99 a month. You're getting discounts, freebies, club points, anniversary gifts. You name it, you're getting it, let me tell you. Now, if I went too fast on any of these samples, and I'm sure I did, make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and click on whatever item you want to see. There is a button that says Product Gallery. Click that, and all the ideas, if you click on this one, will show you. All of the ideas that are using this one will show up. Isn't this adorable? I love it. And it's even using the little circle background die. Oh my goodness, you guys. So amazing. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.